equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the HP NV13, specifically addressing the non-repairable issues that can arise. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the back cover is off, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you notice any dust accumulation, use a can of compressed air to gently clean the fans and vents. This can help improve airflow and prevent overheating, which is a common issue with laptops. If you suspect a hardware failure, it's crucial to identify the specific component. Check the RAM and hard drive connections. Reseating these can sometimes resolve issues. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's focus on the battery. A faulty battery can lead to power issues. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard and inspect it for any swelling or damage. If the battery appears compromised, it may need replacement. Now, if you're still facing issues after checking these components, it might be time to consider a more in-depth diagnosis. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. After inspecting all components, reassemble your laptop by carefully placing the back cover and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your device and check if the issue persists. If it does, it may indicate a more serious problem that requires professional attention. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device checked without the hassle of going to a repair shop. Our team is here to help you every step of the way, ensuring your HP NV13 gets the care it needs. In summary, diagnosing a non-repairable issue on the HP NV13 involves careful inspection and testing of internal components. With the right tools and a methodical approach, you can identify many common problems. However, if you find yourself stuck, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. We are just a call away, ready to assist you with your laptop troubles. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.